Maarten Van Dam, owner of Schevichoven, an almost 400-year-old farm, and we apply here a regenerative permaculture. Regenerative is the part where we restore the soil health, create biodiversity, and the permaculture means that we are only working with perennials, so multi-annual crops in a big variety of crops in order to get a healthier soil and a better biodiversity. And if you create biodiversity, actually you give nature the chance to really create a system where you don't need any inputs, where you don't need plowing, where you just work with nature in order to get, in the end, a nice harvest and not doing harm to the environment.
This is an onion, and normally the onion, you remove the bulb. And we only harvest what is on top of the soil. And the structure is really needed to have a healthier soil, because if you destroy the structure, like plowing, then it takes a long time before the soil recovers, and after that it can only be healthy again. The onion is a very nice example how we can showcase to other onion farmers how to, instead of removing the bulb, just using what is on top of it.
When we started, we were very curious to learn what the state of the farm was. And then we found BeCrop with Biome makers. And we said, well, this could be it to give us an insight where we are. And then from the sampling and the analysis, we got a lot of real nice data as a starting point for future years. BeCrop helps us actually proving that what we are doing here as a regenerative farm is actually working. Because there are a lot of people who need to be convinced, especially the farmers, but also the decision makers, also the other scientists and practitioners. And in the end, people like to have proof. By using BeCrop as a rating tool and etc., that helps us immense in showcasing what we really would like to show, that this kind of practice is actually the only way forward. Whatever you want to do, start looking at the soil. Try to know what's happening there. So my call for action would be for all other farmers, start measuring, looking and working with your soil again, because for us it was a great insight and it helps us a lot.